How to create table in Canva. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So you could either do it in your typical canvas over here, or you could also do it inside of Docs Canva. So let's check out the normal way over here now. So to be able to do it in our normal Canva over here, you're just simply going to click on your elements and search table. This will show you all options that we could have for tables as you see. So you just simply put it into your canvas over here. Oh, and you could modify each row, as you can see, columns very easily. You can easily create a table in Canva this way. So there are different designs available over here. You can just choose ones that you like. So this one has more design. It has the white space as your border, as you can see. You can easily adjust them. To add the text, simply double click on a specific cell and then simply text you want. So let's other one. As you can see, very simple and very straightforward. If you want to modify more information, you can stop like the table. You could minimize the border sizes, also change the cell space as well, and also the line borders. Or you could change the color of some borders as well. So for example, this one has a different border compared, and of course the overall colors as well. But this is for the cell. Want more design? That easily get it. Now, aside from this, you could also check it out in our docs over here. Now in docs, this is similar to Words or Google Docs. Over here, you can just on the plus button over here and just simply search for table. Be able to here, then you can select how many rows and headers you want, or columns. For example, 4x8, as you can see. But in our Canva over here, it's a bit difficult to add. The default one is 3x4. So if you want to add, you have to click on right click and click on add column, on and so forth. You can still easily add those, but in our table over here, you are able to have specific amounts right away here. But the design wise, it's not going to be as flexible as the other one. So a very plain table over here, not much design, so forth, but you are able to easily rearrange them as you over here. You can also rearrange them a certain way, as long as you select. But they function very similarly, and that is, so that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider clicking the link in the description below to get your free Canva Pro 30-day free trial.